guys, let's go to here. Back with another vid.
Today we'll be taking apart
an Xbox 360 and finding out what is inside it and how they work it.
So let's go into the inside. So we have my dad here with a couple of tools. So we are not the only ones doing it. Say hi, Jeff. Okay. Let's get into it.
Okay. Here's an Xbox 360, and we took the ends off already. So now we can take all this stuff off and see what's inside.
Do not do this at home by yourself. Get some of your parents.
Yeah, probably good to get your parents to do.
safety goggles.
Let's see. Well, let's see here.
How do we?
You guys are gonna edit it, right?
Yeah.
What's that?
We're gonna put you guys in time lapse until we get this open. It is now opened up.
Okay. So you can see the light when you touch the button, right? It goes into here, and there's the button that light. This is what lights up the LED. Oh, got it. Good go. Let me take this off. Okay. If you guys want to show that to the camera.
Here's the Xbox 360 button thing.
You want to show on the back? The back? How?
Back. This is the button right here. This right here connects to the electrical thingy-majiggy that turns the Xbox on.
And we are going to get in
Go
more.
buy Here's another piece out of the 360. I have no idea what it is.
What's it? What is that? Oh, this is the thing that goes on top of here. Right? To hold it in.
This right here goes on top of this piece right here to hold it on.
Let's take everything off.
And we found the
We have
silver.
another piece right here.
Oh yeah, we do.
That goes
This
right.
is the top. I'm pretty sure.
Yep.
This is the top of the 360. You can see the 360 Xbox.
Xbox 360.
Actually, can you go get me a towel, Tanner? Put this on.
We need a towel.
Wait, like a paper towel like that one?
Yes, a paper towel.
Okay, maybe stop the camera. I have to go get a screwdriver. Good job, Ash.
I got a good job. We are now unscrewing some.
Oh, look how long that screw is.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at how long this is. It's about 3 inches tall.
About.
Now it's as big as your TV.
Oh, here's another one. Look at it. So these must be the main ones. You see that, Kellen? Look.
This one also is as big as your device.
Just by the way, if you haven't, go check out Let's Go, Red Gaming Rage, Ethan Out Loud, and Green Gaming
Okay.
Rage.
What
How long
block?
that's been,
For
huh?
more content, just by the way.
All right. Let's see if we can.
Subscribe, says the nail. Or this is
This
what-
nail says subscribe to Dude Perfect too.
True, Deeper is pretty good.
And subscribe to That's Amazing.
Subscribe to all the channels if you can.
All
all
your
the
friends,
shit.
right?
Okay, here we go, guys.
Yeah, all the people that we like. Oh,
Here we go.
Okay. Oh, gotta take all these other ones off too.
it's tiny, tiny.
Is it time lapse right now?
No.
Not right now, it's on camera.
Subscribe or this is what every single console of yours will look like in the next couple of days.
Mhm.
The next couple of days.
Subscribe or like. That's what we want. Subscribe or like. You don't have to do one of those. You don't
I-
have to.
Be back in a jiffy. Just finished all the screws. Oh my goodness, look at this.
This is what is inside of an Xbox 360.
Right here is the cooler so your Xbox obviously doesn't get overheated.
That's right. The fan cools the what's called the CPU, the central processing unit, so it can run as fast as it can.
CPU, also known as like
Mhm.
computer.
Sometimes
It's made by either Intel or AMD. Yeah, this is the hard drive. Oh, this is the CD drive.
AMD has a chip right here.
This is
Dad.
the CD-ROM drive that
Dad, tell him that you used to work at Intel.
I did work at Intel. That's right.
Now he works at Rivian.
Rivian. That's right.
Go check out their truck company.
Okay. All right, let's see. So let's
This
take the
right
fan
here
off.
is the bottom of the Xbox.
See, so this
Nice.
here's the fan. Take the fan off. The fan has a regular. Okay, I need a Phillips head. So something like this.
Dad, tell them how the fan gets on.
By
No.
being plugged in and when the Xbox
Okay.
is turned on.
So when it gets hot, okay, so what it does is it runs air
Make
on
sure
its
to
up.
use.
So
make
we
make sure to use this Xbox 360. Make sure to use this Xbox 360 thing, because then it wouldn't work.
okay, so you know how when you guys get warm, you guys use a fan and cool off, right? So this is the CPU, and they put these fins on it to try to make it to help it cool off, actually. So
Run
That's
an
why it has
interesting
this.
sign on the screen.
see, underneath here, that's the fins for the CPU for the main processor, and then this is the fan that blows air through these fins to cool it off faster. So let's take this thing off.
Let's take it off.
Just by the way, guys, look out for Let's Go airplane trick shots coming up.
Now we need to
Who
wait.
likes
We
it?
need to
Who
wait
wants
for
it?
this.
Who can't wait for
This.
that?
We have to wait for this for your dad. From your dad. Okay, let's see what else can we take off here.
We're getting a gift pretty soon.
Maybe screw this off.
Oh, the gift is coming right now. About 50 yards away.
Let me see.
About, yeah.
Oh yeah. Let's see. Wanna see
200
what's inside here?
billion feet away.
This is the CD-ROM. You know the ROM, when you put a CD in there. You have one? Yeah. All right. We got most of the way.
Don't
We
get
need
it
that
dug
to-
in.
All right, Jack. Here, I'll take this out for you. That's how I used to learn about stuff when I was growing up. We just tore things apart. Oh, perfect.
And then there's a smaller one.
Look at that.
If needed.
All right, Jack. You can take this apart while you take this other one apart. Okay. Yeah. Once I gave up trying to fix it, I'm like, I don't want to take it apart. It's either recycle it for nothing or take it apart and then recycle it for nothing.
Mm-hmm.
All right, Jack. Go ahead. Just be careful because it's the metal's sharp, so don't.
Can I do it after?
No, you be careful. Let's see.
Can I do
All right,
it
let's see.
after?
Yeah, you can. Just a second. Where was that? Was it in here?
What's that?
The small.
Yeah. See if these work.
Oh, there. Okay.
We're gonna full.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah,
It
go
is.
for it.
I'll open it for you. I just don't want you to slice your finger with the metal. Hey, did you see Bob Lurie donated $400,000 to the
Yes.
baseball program? That's awesome, man.
Well, he'll match. Looks like it was a match up to 400.
Oh, a match up to 400. Oh, okay.
Go
They
check
gotta
out
go raise
Zach
400 in
King.
order to get it all.
The dollar for dollar match. Yes.
Guys, go check out Zach King. He's pretty amazing.
Okay. Okay, so now this was which was anchoring here. Watch this, Deck. Look at that. This is anchoring the CPU there. Let's see if we can take it off.
Come on, take the CPU off. Yeah, let's cheer for the CPU to come off. Woo!
Oh my gosh, you guys.
CPU off. CPU off.
Show him the fan that is off.
Okay, look out, Calvin. All right, yeah, there's the fan.
Oh. Watch out for flying pieces.
Yeah, save your goggles. Okay, 50 goggles though.
Yeah, just a second. Let's see. Yeah, see what's holding it. Okay, maybe we just have to take the whole board off.
Oh,
So we're taking the whole board off.
that's good, because then we get to see more electricity
take
stuff.
Electronics?
Yeah.
Actually, call it electricity stuff.
Electricity stuff.
It's almost 8 o'clock.
Okay. Yeah. There we go. Oh, good job, Deck.
Oh, why don't we
Why don't you take that one, show 'em? That's the CD-ROM drive. Press that in there.
This is the CD-ROM drive.
Just better, right?
Unscrew something.
Yeah, just a second. Let me get it.
Whoa, looks like this may be able to come out, but this is where the CD can be inserted and processed.
And we are almost finished, right, Dad?
Getting there.
We're almost finished.
Ah, no wonder. There's a screw right here. You want to unscrew that one? See that? There you go.
So, guys, there's a screw
Mm-hmm.
right on the side of it.
There you go.
That's how it's stuck.
Mm-hmm.
So now we're unscrewing it. It's working.
Mm-hmm. Good. Keep going that way. Good.
As you see, here's the green thing
Like motherboard that.
and wires. And a thing, a circle, and another circle on the inside of it. And a bunch of electric stuff.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Good job, Kellen. Oh, there we go. Kellen got the big part off there. Here's the
got
fan.
the big part.
Okay.
Ooh, the fan.
Once
Nice.
the fan's off.
Here's a little cool down for you guys. It actually spins.
Pretty nice, honestly. Still spins.
Okay. Now we gotta get this out.
Wait, here. Spin it. There, spin it. It doesn't do anything.
This is how it works. It gets spun by electricity. Wait, hold on. Then it gets stopped by metal.
It doesn't do anything. It doesn't blow out air.
See these wires? Look at all these wires. So things
Pink and
connects-
blue wires,
Text
my
things
two
from-
favorite colors.
Connects to CD-ROM drive, the thing that Declan's taking apart. See all the electronics, guys?
It's
Someone has to
electric
design this. So
So-
first someone has to design it so all the chips connect correctly, and then they have to
Wait.
design the board.
Wait,
So they
Dad,
can put the
I
chips
have a
down.
I have a question.
Yes.
Do they like print it out?
Then they do kind of print it out. You're right. They use
Because they couldn't like have a teeny beeny weeny pencil and then draw.
More
yeah.
red
They actually
and
draw it on the computer.
blue
And then
wires.
the computer
So
prints
they
it out.
draw it teeny
Slingshot
on the computer,
hitter.
and then
Mm-hmm.
they printed it out
print
on
it out.
the printer.
That's right. On a
The big thing that
circuit
Kellen
board
got
printer.
out.
It's called. This is a circuit board. These are circuits.
Like
Here,
if you press a button and then the fan turns on like
Mhm.
that.
Mm-hmm.
So that's how they use the Xbox 3.
Yes, the fan needs to turn on, otherwise the chip that does all the processing gets too hot. It has to stop. Otherwise, it'll start a fire. Actually,
So,
it gets so hot.
So if they didn't have a fan, it will start a fire.
Here's the
Yeah.
CD
Yeah.
process.
If they don't stop it.
Hold on a sec, I'm going to take this
We're
out.
gonna pass it around and then you put it in that box. You
Give me
can't really
scissors.
see it.
Give me scissors. Let me just cut this real quick, right here.
Usually
I'll
like
get.
that.
I'll
It's just a piece
just.
of foam so it can come off.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to get off. Everybody gets one screwdriver. I get this one. Ashton gets that one. Tanner, you get this one. Where's the medium? Where's the medium screw? Ashton, you
There
get
you
this
go,
one.
this is off.
Ashton, you get this one.
Oh, thank you.
You get those.
I will gladly use this one.
Hey, Dad, you get this screw. What screw should be Tanner? For Tanner?
No, I don't care.
You don't want any screw?
Not right now.
Okay.
Try and see.
Daddy,
what-
where can I unscrew?
Good.
Oh, maybe this not works.
Oh,
Okay.
it's coming off.
No, but Dad definitely that screw.
Alright.
So we're taking off.
Can't be careful, huh?
the-
Okay.
Oh,
took
guys.
Oh, watch out, careful. Okay.
It's
Hot?
the motherboard.
No, sharp.
Okay, here we go.
There's a motherboard. I'm gonna take this off still, and then we can show you what the main part, the central processing unit, looks like.
Oh, that's
And here is the silver part.
There's still a CD in here. Yeah, there's still a CD in
Alright,
here.
oh, funny.
Oh, there's a CD in here.
Wait, let me try and take it apart.
I want to take it apart.
You guys don't. And I think Ashton found it. Come on. You guys both take it apart.
Hey, Ashton.
Oh, so that's how the CD
Goes in and out.
comes in and out.
Mm-hmm.
And for some reason, there's still CD.
Comment down below, and if you can't, go to our discussion box. Say if you've ever had it, a 360 Xbox.
Go
I used to have
into
the original.
go into the discussion box
Can I use this one?
and say if you have a 360 Xbox.
Try and push the CD out.
Xbox. Okay, can I help?
Not yet. I'll tell you. Count. Yeah.
So my dad is about you to show.
Oh, I got the CD
You
out.
have to
It's called
unscrew
Connect
that.
Sports.
Actually, instead of unscrewing, I need to get a plier.
Oh, that's Connect.
Xbox 360.
Yeah, I knew that. I knew it was.
You knew it.
Yeah.
You knew it.
Yeah.
You knew it. You knew it.
Okay. Let's
Hey,
see.
maybe we have to unscrew it.
I got it. Hey guys, let's see. Excuse me. Hey, look out, Deck.
Oh, we have the clipper.
There we go.
There we go. My dad's about to show you the main part of it.
Actions going to be a lot of things.
What do you mean? I'm taking
Good.
it apart.
Take it apart. That's the fun part. Is like to destroy it, right? Learn about it. So you guys look at all these little chips that they had to design in for it to work properly.
Got it. Wait. Oh,
Isn't that cool?
here's this piece right here. Spinny
Okay.
thingy.
All right. I think I got it. Hold on. Let me see.
And then here
Aha.
is what the CD.
Oh, guys.
All right. Here it is. Okay. So here's the
Show them.
here's
Show
the
the viewers.
this was used on top of the central processing unit here to keep it cool. All right. So all this was to keep it cool. Watch out. It's
So
really
if
sharp.
they,
Okay.
so
Now, look.
if they didn't use that, it would start a fire.
Now look, here's the main chip. Look, it says Microsoft Xbox 360. Want to show the camera here? Put that in front of the camera.
What it shows right here, Microsoft Xbox 360.
Okay,
what
that's
it
what
is.
runs. That's the brains of the whole thing. And let's see if it says it was made. Let's see, it doesn't say, but actually I know this was made
This
by
is a magnet.
AMD.
AMD.
Advanced Micro Devices made this chip. So
Sponsored by
the most
AMD.
important.
Sponsored by AMD.
The most important element of this whole thing is the CPU, and the most expensive thing is the CPU. But you notice this is the chip, but all the fan and that were all just to keep it cool, right? So you can run the games as fast as you can.
Special thanks to CPU.
Pretty neat,
and
huh?
Xbox.
That's it. That's
Thanks for
it.
watching, guys. Go check.
Xbox 360.
Go
There's an
check
Xbox
some of
360.
our
CD
other
processor.
videos, or Let's Go, and we'll see you next time, guys.
Woo!
Bye.